C-Bus.
So I want to do a quick follow-up. Out at this property a year later, after I've done this drainage job, and we were out here doing a little bit of additional non-related work, but I wanted to show you what this looks like now. It's been just a hair over a year since when I originally put in this drainage project, and you can sort of see the difference in grass right up through here. But as you can see, he's watering just because it's, you know, late summer and the grass in general is brown. But as you can see, it came in, filled in pretty well. I talked to the customer about the project, and he said he's been very happy with it because for the first time in a long time, he has not had any issues with water and flooding or ponding up in this area. He said that they could mow the lawn for the first time in the spring for a long time because it used to puddle all through this area, as we talked about. So as you can see, the grading and everything turned out pretty good. And now that it's settled in, you can tell that the drains are in here, but they're hardly visible from the surface. And there's our other drain. So this is how the projects come in. I thought I'd add this to the end of the video as a follow-up. And once again, I want to thank you for watching the videos. And, you know, please comment if you have any questions. Post them for me. I'll try to answer that stuff. Like my videos and subscribe and be sure to share them. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.